welcome back to my Craftykirsty channel. Today I have a fun Dollar Tree haul. I got some few things to do, some sublimation projects, some projects with my Cricut, and just some other fun things that I'd like to show you guys. Real fast, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos. Okay, let's get right into it. First up, we have some socks. These are, of course, $1, and they are, I believe it's 97 or 98% polyester. Yeah, and there's some spandex in there, so these are perfect for sublimation. Here in a minute, I will go through everything again and tell you what I have planned for them. So next is this oven mitt. Again, $1. I just got a solid black one, and I also got some matching pot holders to make a matching set. So next we have a cutting board, and there's texture on the front and the back is smooth. So here in a minute, I'm gonna share my ideas with this. I think it's gonna be super cute. So I picked up some paintbrushes, comes in a pack of 3, and they're of course $1. They're not fancy, but they work perfectly fine. So that's always something that I love to pick up at the Dollar Tree. Next up, I have a couple of these wreath rings. It comes in a pack of 2, and they are smaller, but that kind of makes it a fun, easy, and quick project to do. So next up, I got some of the nautical rope. I got not 1, but 2, not 2, wait, I got 3. Yes, that's right, I got 3 because I didn't want to run out and have to go get more. This is one of my favorite items to get for crafting at the Dollar Tree. So next up is a microfiber mop pad. Not necessarily craft related. I guess it could be if you are super creative and came up with something. So the back is like a, something that Velcro would connect to, and this is the fluffy side, and I got it for my new mop. And here is me showing. I just thought this would be a good, cheap, easy way to get the mop pads, and it works pretty good. That's a steam mop that I got at Walmart. It was like 20 bucks. Okay, now I'm going to reveal my plans. So first I'm going to show you guys the oven mitt and the 2 pot holders, and I am going to do a super cute, it's not necessarily a monogram, but it says like, it's a circle and it says like the Jeter family, and it has this cute little floral print, and I'm just going to do that on the oven mitt and both of the pot holders to have a nice matching set that didn't cost millions of dollars. Okay, I'm being dramatic, but you know what I mean. Okay, so next, the socks. I actually will link this video. I made some cute Disney socks. This is my first time doing sublimation with those. I'll link that so you can see. And this, okay, I'm thinking that I can get those back pieces off and glue them back. If not, I'll just work around them. I'm going to put probably that same monogram, the Jeter family, on the back side that's smooth, and then like paint over it, because the front is textured. But if you put it on the back, and then you might still be able to use that cutting board, or maybe just use it as like a serving platter. It'll be super cute. I can't wait. Next is the wreath rings. So I have tons of ideas that I could do with these, but I got the rope so that I could cover the rings. I've always wanted to get a bigger one and these smaller ones and make like a Mickey wreath. I think that'd be so cute. But basically I'm gonna use the rope and wrap it all the way around the wreath and do something cute, add some floral or something. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to tell me what you think I should do in the comments and subscribe to see more.